I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over the Facebook Inbox Answer tool. The Inbox Answer is different from the chatbot because it can only send out one response instead of a series of responses, and it's triggered by a comment on one of your page's posts. It's really good if you want to create engagement on your posts and automatically deliver something to people who comment on your posts. So to set it up we need to go to Pages, and then we select the page and view posts, and then we need to select the post on the page that we want to set the auto answer on. So I'm going to scroll down and select this post, and now we set the rule. So when we set the rule we can use first name and last name to customize it, and we type in the text here. So we can go, hey first name, here is your awesome thing, and then a link to whatever we're linking to. So you can use the condition to have it only sent out when a user comments a certain word or a phrase, or if it doesn't consist of or is exactly equal to. You can set up multiple rules if you want to have multiple different messages for when someone types a specific thing, or you can just turn it off and have it so whenever someone comments anything on that specific post they'll get sent this message. So you can set it to delay, and you can choose whether you want it to answer on second level comments. If there's a comment on your post, select this checkbox. It will also send this message to people who comment on comments. This checkbox will restrict it to only answering the same person once. So once you've set up your rule, you click save, and then whenever someone comments on that post they will be sent this message. So to choose a different post to answer, come back to Pages, select View Posts, and then select the different post to answer. So on this specific post I put answer yes to receive your awesome thing. For this you would use condition and say consists yes, and you can also make it case sensitive if you wish. So again, once you've completed your messages and set your options, click save. And then you can view the posts that you set rules on by clicking posts to answer, and it will show you the posts, and you can edit the rules or delete the rules. So in this video we went over the Facebook Inbox Answer tool.